Imagine a small, quiet town where a serious crime shakes a community. There are no eyewitnesses. The suspect claims they were never there. The police have no leads, except for a single drop of blood found near the crime scene. That single drop, invisible to the naked eye, became the key to solving the case. And this, my friends, is the power of forensic science. What is forensic science? Forensic science is the marriage of science and law. It uses biology, chemistry, physics, and technology to solve crimes, identify offenders, and protect the innocent. It is called the silent witness because while human memories fade, evidence does not lie if handled correctly. The real case example, the DNA that spoke back in 1986. In England, 2 tragic murders of young girls went unsolved. Police arrested a suspect, but they weren't completely sure until forensic scientists stepped in. They developed a new technique at the time called DNA fingerprinting. When they tested the suspect's DNA against samples from the crime scenes, it was a match. It was the first time in history that DNA evidence was used to convict a murderer. This case not only solved 2 brutal crimes, but also changed criminal investigations forever. Role in criminal investigation. Forensic science helps in identifying the suspect through fingerprints, DNA, or digital traces, reconstructing events by analyzing blood spatter patterns or bullet trajectories, exonerating the innocent, proving someone was not involved, providing solid proof in court, where science can speak louder than opinions. The many faces of forensics. Think of forensic science as a team of different specialists, forensic biology or DNA experts matching people to crime scenes, forensic chemistry or toxicology detecting poisons, drugs, and chemicals, ballistics experts studying bullets and guns, digital forensic specialists recovering deleted files and tracking cybercrimes, forensic pathologists discovering cause of death through autopsies, fingerprint analysts linking prints to suspects. Each plays a unique role in solving the puzzle. The process from scene to court. Securing the crime scene. No one enters without permission to prevent contamination. Collecting evidence. Every piece, from a shoe print to a strand of hair, is carefully documented. Analyzing in the lab using advanced tools like microscopes, chemical tests, and computers. Interpreting the results, turning raw data into clear findings. Testifying in court, explaining the science so judges and juries understand the truth. The challenges of science has hurdles. Contamination can ruin evidence. Lab backlogs can delay justice. Human error or bias can mislead. That's why forensic work demands precision, honesty, and patience. Closing the bigger picture. Forensic science has transformed criminal investigation. It gives investigators eyes that see the invisible and ears that hear the truth hidden in tiny traces. The drop of blood in our opening story, just like in the 1986 DNA case, reminds us, in the quest for justice, science doesn't just solve crimes. It speaks for those who can no longer speak for themselves.